Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki. I often get the question from my students when I'm running classes, right? I don't have my instrument. How do I practice? Well, if you're a beginner, this is a great suggestion, okay? So pay attention because I do this with all of my classes, and this is probably their first homework assignment, okay? So in every class, I usually start with the Suzuki rhythms, right? So number one, Mississippi hot dog. Soda, pop. Down river, up river. Butterfly, butterfly. Watermelon, watermelon. All right? So we can practice clapping them, we can practice saying them, but how's about we actually physically get our bow arm moving, right? No instrument required. Here we go. Left hand out in front. Right hand touch the left elbow. We're going to slide our hand along our arm from the elbow to the wrist. Do you see what's happening? The perfect bow path. Your arm is straight, our bow path is straight. And we're opening and closing that elbow. We're activating that joint rather than doing this. A lot of beginners like to do this, scratch, scratch, scratch this way rather than this. Aha! Here we go. We're training that elbow from the start so we can do our rhythms. Number one, Mississippi hot dog. Number two, soda, pop. Number three, down river, up river. Number four, butterfly, butterfly. And number five, watermelon, watermelon. All right, so that's the perfect path. Look at that. And opening and closing that elbow. So when you get the instrument, this seems much more natural. It looks silly on its own, but when you get the instrument, it'll feel much more natural and be much more natural. Okay, so that's my quick tip for beginners without instruments.